let's get started on your rice pudding, Bobby.
It's a really simple rice pudding recipe with dried cherries, and it's gonna be great.
Now we've got our boiling water underneath.
In a double boiler.
And I see you've got some milk out here.
Right, I need for you to please measure out a cup and a half of milk.
Okay, I can do that, Bobby.
And to that pot, I'm gonna add 1 cup of just long grain white rice.
Okay.
Right into there. And if you would add that, that would be great.
Okay.
And to that, I'm gonna add a cup and a half of water.
Okay.
So basically, right now, we're just making rice.
Okay. So normally, if we were using 1 cup of rice, we would use 2 cups of liquid. So you've actually got us using
3.
3.
Cup and a half of milk and a cup and a half of water.
Okay.
Cover that up.
So just put the lid on it.
There we go.
Okay, you know what I love? I love rice pudding.
Okay, well, I think that our rice is ready. We've got 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk.
I love this stuff.
Me too. That's going to add a lot of flavor to that.
Eat it out of the can with a spoon.
Very good.
Look
Let's see.
at
We're
this
gonna
rice, y'all.
a couple of tablespoons of heavy cream.
Pour it,
You
son.
got room in there?
I don't see any butter.
You're right. All right, and now for the good part.
The dried cherries.
Dried cherries.
Yeah, normally I put raisins, y'all, in my rice pudding. And, oh, can I chop them a little bit?
Of course you can. I'll dump some out here for you.
Okay, but you just say put them in there whole.
Well, I think so, but, you know, to each his own, so.
See, these are bigger than a raisin.
Oh, far bigger.
Yeah.
This is the 3rd measuring cup, so we're gonna get 2 of these. And then we're gonna stir them into the rice, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and that's really it.
Okay, that sounds wonderful.
And the consistency looks really, really good. We're all gonna be happy campers in just a short amount of time.
The only people that ain't gonna be happy is
The ones who isn't here.
our friends out there watching.
Oh, no, they're gonna be happy when they make all this stuff at the house. All right, get
Son,
all that
this is
stirred in.
really, really good. I just think, you know, it needs butter.
Well, you know, whenever we portion it out into bowls, we can put a little bit of butter on yours and see what you think. All right, so we're gonna let this simmer for just a few minutes.
Okay.
All righty. Golly, look how good that
Oh,
looks.
y'all.
Doesn't it look great?
Now, once we added the condensed milk, y'all, we let this simmer for about 20 minutes. You know, we came in and added the cream, the condensed milk, and I chopped those dried cherries. All right, so now what are you doing now, son?
Little orange zest.
Okay,
So
are we gonna mix that
we are gonna
in or
mix it in.
sprinkle it
We
on
are gonna
top?
mix it in. The only 2 things missing now are a little bit of vanilla extract.
Okay.
So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons.
Boy, howdy, Bobby.
You'll learn all kinds of
2
stuff.
tablespoons,
And
wow.
and the zest of about a half orange, so. Let's see if we can
Well,
put
I
this in
have
here.
to tell y'all, I tasted it.
And you liked
after
it before.
I stirred it. You know, it's just hard to believe we could improve on this stuff.
And when we get it set up in our glasses over there, we're gonna.
Oh, Bobby, that
We're gonna put a
orange
little bit of
is
nutmeg on it.
smelling phenomenal.
Right in there.
Yeah, just,
Stir that in for me, please.
yes,
If you would.
I so will.
Looking good, smelling good. Why don't we go ahead and turn this off?
Okay,
Because I think it's ready.
okay,
And we could cup it up. And when we do, we'll put a little bit of nutmeg on top, and I think we won't need anything else.
Well, I still say we need butter.
Oh, voila.
Oh, yay. Well, listen, I won't put it in the whole dish. I'll just put it in mine. Okay.
You ready? Is that enough?
Yes, that's enough.
Okay.
Kind of looks like oatmeal, doesn't
It
it?
does. The consistency's sort of the same to me. Just a little bit of
Oh, and I
nutmeg.
see that orange zest. And you could garnish this, y'all, with some whipped cream, little mint, a few more cherries.
Yeah.
Or you could just garnish it with like your lips. Oh, Bobby. Is it insane?
Man, you tell me.
It's insane. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.